Hi friends, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today, we're going into the kitchen.
Don't worry, no cooking skills needed.
Just your ears, your voice, and your appetite. Ha ha.
Yesterday I cooked dinner with my friend. We stood in the kitchen and I asked, "So, what should we make today?"
My favorite question.
She said, "Let's keep it simple."
Simple food, simple English.
I opened the fridge and said, "We're out of tomatoes."
That means no tomatoes left. Let's learn some easy cooking words. Ingredients, food you need to cook. Recipe, cooking instructions. Chop, cut food into small pieces. Boil, cook in hot water.
Repeat after us. Ingredients.
Recipe,
Chop.
boil.
Great.
I was cooking pasta last night.
Alone?
Yes, and I almost burned it. Haha, I said. Oops, I wasn't paying attention.
That's a great real-life phrase.
It means I wasn't watching carefully.
Then Adam said, "Let's taste it."
Always taste your food. Here are some natural expressions about food. I'm starving. I'm very hungry. This smells amazing. Arrow. It smells really good. It's a piece of cake. It's very easy.
Repeat with us. I'm starving.
This smells amazing.
It's a piece of cake. Nice. We finally sat down to eat. I asked, "Do you want more?"
And I said, yes, please, just a little.
Then Adam smiled and said, "This tastes great."
Compliments are always welcome in the kitchen.
Now it's your turn. What are we cooking today?
Good. Next one. Can you pass the salt?
Last one. This is delicious.
Excellent.
Sometimes I follow the recipe,
And sometimes I ignore it. Haha.
and that's how new dishes are born.
Or disasters. Haha.
Repeat one more time. Ingredients.
Recipe.
Chop.
Boil.
Wonderful.
Cooking is about sharing.
And English is the same.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Keep practicing, one word at a time.
Write in the comments. I love cooking.
We're proud of you. See you next time. Bye.